Hey everybody, Derek here from Badgerland Birding. Today I wanted to just make a quick little video about the new eBird trip reports feature. I think it's super cool. I love that they added this in, so let's see how you use this. So the first thing is to go to eBird.org, and it's useful if you've been doing birding in a certain location or want to know about a certain time frame. And I just got back from a trip to Costa Rica, so it's perfect opportunity to make a little trip report. So when you log on to eBird, this is the screen you'll see first. Just kind of the general place. It should show your account name up here on the top. Then we're going to go to My eBird. So we'll click that. I have it set to Louisiana, so it's showing my statistics for Louisiana, but we can zoom out to see United States and then world. So we're going to go to the left-hand corner here. We got Manage My Checklist, Locations, Trip Reports. We'll hit Trip Reports. And now you can see I've created a couple. I was just kind of messing around with it, but we go to Create Trip Report. And then you can name the trip report. So we'll name it Costa Rica Birding 2022. So you pick the start date. I think we started on January 2nd. 12 a.m. is fine for that. And then end date, we will pick January 17th. And then end time 11:59, that's fine. So you can change the visibility. So limited. The trip report is visible only to you and the people you invite to join. So you can invite other people to join on the trip report. You can have link only, so will not appear on any future outputs on eBird, so it's not public. And it's only visible to anyone who visits the link. So if I make a trip report and I want to share it with somebody, I can just send them the link and they can check it out. You can also make it public, which will appear on the public eBird pages and in the search results. So for this, I'm just going to do link only, and then you hit Create Trip Report. And so it shows you all the checklists that you are including on this trip report. So I'm going to say Save and View Trip Report. So it's got Costa Rica Birding 2022. These are all the places where we made checklists during the trip, and I believe these blue ones are not necessarily hot spots, just places where checklists were made.
Also wanted to add in what this little yellowish tab on the top is saying, that if there were other eBirders who were with you for the trip, you can hit edit and you can share the trip report with their eBird account so they can accept it and then add it on their profile as well.
So you can see where you traveled on your trip, but I think one of the coolest things is it shows you how many species you had total throughout the trip, and then it says species lifers. So if it's new bird feed, it has a little blue check mark, which feels like quite an accomplishment. Like it's cool that you get a little it feels verified almost. But so you can see species observations 247 plus two other taxa. So that's like if you put Alania species, that's considered a taxa, not an actual species. Our total is a little different than this. I haven't input all the data yet, but for the checklist we do have in, this is what it gives us. It also says the different kind of sub-regions you were in over here on the left, and shows you how many checklists a species appeared on, and it's really cool. And then also what species are considered sensitive. So then you can share this with your friends. Oh, here's the additional taxa, so antbird species and wren species. But you can share this. It's just really neat to get this information and have it on hand so you can see what you did on your trip. And then we can go down to, if we exit out of it, say we go back to My eBird, we can go back to trip reports and it'll have the new trip report on here too, so it'll save it for you. So really simple, really cool new feature you can mess around with, looking at different time frames and stuff. But hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy our content. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you around.